Hello, my name is Jordan Murphy,
And my name is Farid Sawaqed.
and our Project 3 is a Dungeons and Dragons initiative tracker. Dungeons and Dragons, or D&D, is a cooperative storytelling tabletop role-playing game where players can create their own characters, explore a fantasy environment, and embark on different quests within a story set up by the Dungeon Master, or DM, who is running the game. And this is mainly a tool to help the Dungeon Master keep track of everything going on in combat. Say if we wanted to add a character to the initiative, where initiative is the turn order during combat, we could use one of my previous characters as an example. He has a extra modifier that gets added to the roll on here. So if I roll it on their original site, I got a 12, so I add 10, so that is a 22. So I'll add him in. Chip Chunkster, I know, silly name, if I get it right. Initiative was 22, and his maximum health was 217. So I'll add him in, and we can see he is listed with the correct initiative, name, and health.
Okay, now let's say the second and third characters are me and Jordan ourselves, and we have the same initiatives. So first, the first person that we put into the list is the person that's gonna go first. So let's do a coin game first. So let's flip a coin. I'm gonna pick heads, and I get a heads. So I'm gonna add myself first.
So let's get ourselves a
Yeah.
roll.
So this 19 is gonna be our initiative. And now let's flip a roll of 100 dice to see our full health. And we got 38, so my health is 38. Now let's add Jordan's number. Let's have the same initiative, and let's roll another dice of 100. He got 53.
Mhm. Now, in the case of actual combat, the DM will be able to see, okay, the current turn is this guy, Chip Chunkster. When his turn is complete, he can click on this button right here, and it will update the page to show, okay, now it is Farid's turn. And when Farid is done, it can go on to my turn, and it will continue to rotate through the initiative until the combat is done, or say the characters are removed off of the initiative roll. Say in a attack, say I go back over here, I use this fancy spear to attack, say myself. I could roll what kind of damage it would be over here, just to have it be accurate with what type of weapon it would be. But okay, 14 damage. I can go down here. I can enter in 14 and I could hit subtract 2 minus damage, and it updates it accordingly. Now, say someone went crazy and took out all of the health of our friend Chip Chunkster over here. We could say 217, or even say something even larger than his health. And once we hit that, he is out of health. It doesn't mean he's fully out of combat because there are ways to revive a character, but he is in the red, saying he would not be able to act normally. Say I wanted to heal back up myself, I could say, oh, let's someone cast a healing spell and I was able to heal 12 HP. If I click this button, it gets added right back to me.
And finally, during the Dungeons and Dragons, a character can either die or he can run away. So let's say he runs away and he's not going to be part of the game anymore. So we can delete him by pressing the delete button. We'll do Chip, for example. And there we go. He's deleted and he's completely removed from the list.
Mhm. And then say you want to clear the board completely, we could just click delete on each character and it goes back to the initial view.